Day 3. Where are we at today, Sawyer?
Iceland. So yesterday we were in New Zealand. This morning we flew to Iceland. Now we're starting our day off right with first banquet. Send us the reels, please.
Icelandic water.
And that's proof that we're in Iceland.
Yeah, we are in Iceland.
Pretty park area.
Yep, beautiful.
Just now hit the spring here.
Iceland has some pretty mountains.
Hopefully wear some fish out.
Let's go try it. What do you think?
Sounds good to me.
There he is. Are you kidding me? Oh, damn it. Damn it. I ain't losing it this time. You said keep it? Okay. Nice. Man, that's a nice one. Another brookie. There he is. Are you fucking kidding me? You got me fucking Oh crap, that spinner's messed up. Don't daggone bridge. Crap. Oh. There he is. That's a pretty one. Fine landing. You can't go nowhere right here, killer. Come here. Pretty fish, pretty fish. Hello, son. There you go. Good gosh.
Oh, cow. Someone's trout fishing with that.
Oh my gosh. Shit. Ow. I hope he's happy that I got this on camera. Got him that time. Bring it in, son. Bring it in. That's number 7. Is that thing hooked on top of the head? There we go. Well, quick release. Well, Sawyer, tell me about Iceland.
Pretty good. Very successful. All our limit. A lot better than New Zealand. Very good day.
I would recommend coming back to Iceland. Maybe we might try New Zealand again one day.
Probably will happen again, but Iceland's a for sure go.
Yep. Iceland is a good place to go. You heard it here first from us. Go fishing in Iceland.
Put up Iceland.
Show off them bad boys.
There's 3.
Yep, 3.
That one's really pretty.
Yeah, that thing's beautiful.
Organic protein.
Well, that's all from Donny Boy and Mr. Stud Sawyer here. Got any last messages to the camera?
It's been real.
It's been fun. It's been real, it's been fun. I'd say it's been real fun.
Yeah. It's been really fun. For the banquet, please send us a reel. It was really cool of him.
There's your pair of socks.